Well, it just stopped raining because I just got home. But we had a really good ride today. Got 2 bags on it now. One's a little bit bigger than the other, but they fit nicely. Been holding up to highway miles. Are not bouncing around at all. Got a cover for my seat there. That pleather leather gets a bit wet. And it covers a lot of the electronics too. Running really good today. Idling super low since I put on the new car, but that I got off eBay for 16 bucks. And it was fresh off a BSA 441. So it just seems to hold the slide a little bit better. And other than that, we're ready for touring. Nice evening. And we'll be off to work in 3 hours. Back on the rain, I guess. Back in the rain.